Hey, yes. Now you have to do only one thing. Yeah, just connect your device with the Wi-Fi or any GPS and go to the market. Now, in the market at the top of this, you can search. Yes. App installer. Search it. Yeah, now. It's a very simple and it's free of cost. Yeah. Yeah. Here it is. At like this one installer. A wheel for 4.5 rating with a wheel icon. Just click here and I've installed, so I got this open and uninstall. You just install. Here's the button, and after installation you don't need any Wi-Fi or any type of GPS. If you are paying for the GPS, don't. So go to the applications and open your installer. Now it will load the applications that are pasted in your SD card. So now you just have to click on this and click install or delete. After installation you can delete it. Yeah, you got this when you just install it. I have installed this. I've already have this in my iPhone, so I got this. So you just install this, and after that you can tap there and you can delete it from here. Okay, and this also. Okay. Now the game that the app, here is the app Doodle. It's free of cost. You wanna sound this? Okay, it's good.